YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special Amazon Prime unboxing to do. You guys can check them out. My Amazon affiliate link will be down below, and also their website link will be down below. Always check back on both for special Black Friday deals and sales and Cyber Monday sales and deals. But if you're more comfortable using Amazon, click the link which says Amazon link. That'll take you to Amazon, and it'll take you right to this VivoHome. Thank you guys for sending me this unit for a review. This is a 10-tray electric food dehydrator, 1,000 watts. This is the one to get. This would be great for your home, apartment, condo. This is my first one I'm going to be doing. So definitely excited to try this out. I've been wanting to try one out for a while, but I just haven't had the time. Now I got some time to kill. We're definitely going to try this out. You got the 10 trays. So I got some fruits I'm going to be chopping up. So we'll be in the kitchen after we unbox it. So definitely excited to see how my first batch turns out. So definitely excited. So thank you guys at VivoHome, and be right back. Alright, this is what it looks like when we open it up. Nothing too exciting yet, but once we open this part up, that's where the magic's at. Here comes the magic. We got the manual right on top. Once you open it, this looks like a tray or a rubber stop, something. Plastic. There she is, guys. Look at this beauty. Alright, I'm gonna have to flip this box over. Alrighty, guys, we are in the kitchen. I got my apples, pears, oranges, lemons, and a banana down there. So I'm not sure what sizes you had to cut them up, but you know, it's my first attempt, so I'll give it a shot. I didn't use all the crates, so I got them right there. And now we just gotta plug her in, right in here. So I gotta read the, oh, that's kind of loud. Ooh, oops, there I am. Nice digital display. Let me grab my manual. Alright guys, once you hit the on button, it'll pull up 10 degrees. You can always adjust the temperature by that way. "30 minutes. See what it does. Like I said, I have no idea what I'm doing. Just giving it a shot my first time. I think that's 30 minutes. Put a timer. It's not too loud. And we'll be back. Alright guys, we are at the 2-minute warning. 2-minute warning. It is hot around the edge because it comes out the smoke. Or not the smoke, but the heat. You can feel it. So be careful while touching it. It is still hot. You might want to grab one of these oven mitts because the crates might be still hot, because for 30 minutes it's been inside. You never know. And you want to be careful. Getting your fingers burnt is not fun. So make sure your kids don't touch it. Like I said, it's going to be hot. They like to touch things. So 2 minutes. Definitely can smell some kind of fruit, but my smelling is not that good. But really cool. Super quiet though. Good size. Probably gonna put it in there. Gonna take one of those air fryers out and put this in there. I'm liking this idea. It's quick. I mean, 30 minutes went by really fast though. But the last 2 days been going super fast. I don't know why, but it has definitely been going super fast. So like I said, holidays coming up. Might want to add this to your wish list, or, you know, nice home housewarming gift, birthdays and whatnot. Something cool, something different. A lot of people have been doing them on TikTok and YouTube too, so, and Instagram. There's a few out there. VivoHome. 30 seconds. TikTok. Alright, alright. Oh. Oh, alright, dude. There we go. I unplugged it. Like I said, let it cool down. If you don't have a glove, you can maybe use a paper towel or a towel. I got my trays. Whoa. Look at that. Holy moly. Whoa. That's good. That's really good. Now we got the limes. All right. I'm liking the banana though. We got oranges. I gotta do it longer. Really good. Now, the pears and the apple. Heck yeah. And now, voila. Oh, wow. Amazing. Alright, guys. Check them out. VivoHome. Amazon. Be safe. Have a good night.